I got the better idea. Twist the... Here, use the other end. Use the other end.
Prairie dogs are squawking.
You want me to hold down on his head just in case? Don't let him bite you.
John.
Somebody got that thing picked up.
He has his hands around
I just grabbed him. Nutty, thank you.
Daddy's gonna grab him.
He's not gonna sting me. He's a pretty little snake. Look at it. Isn't that pretty? There's one right behind you.
Don't get it too close to me, John.
Cut the rattle off.
No.
There's a dead one over there. You can cut the rattle off.
He
You
wants
want to take
rattle.
him home?
Dad,
Get the head away.
Oh, he won't hurt you.
You want to take him home?
No.
No.
Oh, this might be a prairie rattler. That might be bad. Wait.
Well, why the heck are you touching him?
don't the rattler sting you?
No.
That's about it.
I want to feel it.
Me too.
It is pretty cool.
That's about it. You are about as close as I want you to come here. Isn't that neat?
Go cut the one off the dead one.
Oh, this is awesome.
You might want to throw him if you're going to let him go.
This is probably, here we are in wild America. I don't know what it is. I don't think this is a diamondback. I think it's a prairie, don't you?
Oh, look at him. He's really pissed off. Start talking like him.
Yeah, that Australian guy. Oh, he's big. He is mad. Look at their head. How? See how their head is shaped? Only with a knife. Huh? Only with a knife will I look at it.
Oh, I got that on film. Yeah.
Boy, he just about got me.
Let him go, Daddy.
I will.
Yeah, I think it's time. I think we have
let's
enough.
See if we can get him to do that again, see?
Well, I had him on film when he did it.
Well, we weren't very close. Come on, do it again.
John, I have.
What? She's backing up. You gotta look at her good eye. That is a beautiful snake. Look at
Let
his
him
rattle
go,
go.
Dad.
I will.
You're gonna get killed.
I ain't gonna get killed.
You just said they're poisonous.
Look at his rattle go.
Good for him.
That is awesome.
I'm gonna shoot it in your hand if you don't let it go.
That baby's awesome. Okay.
Get near me and I'll
We're gonna
kick
let
it.
him go. Take him out in the middle of that prairie dog town.